Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you're all fine, your families are fine, and you're doing great in life. Well, today I'm going to bring you the recipe of capsicum cooked with potatoes. Okay, and this is a very nice recipe because capsicum and potatoes together taste really nice, yummy. Well, all those who are my family members and all those who are not my family members, I welcome you all. And especially those who are not my family members, I welcome them because they are going to become my family members right now by subscribing to the channel. So, quickly, please subscribe to the channel, like and share the videos. And if you want to make any comments regarding any video that you watch on this channel, underneath the video you can in the comment section comment on it, ask questions on it, and I will get back to you on the topic. Well, and of course also answer your question. So quickly subscribe to the channel, and after that I will then start telling you the recipe of capsicum cooked with potatoes. And you see I've put the image of capsicum and potatoes here for you. It's looking so nice colors, natural nice colors, isn't it? So here I've summed up all the ingredients that we are going to use in cooking this capsicum with potatoes. I've got capsicum with me. It was half kg of capsicum. I have washed and diced it. You can see it here. And then I have 2 to 3 tomatoes I took, and I have peeled them and mashed them. As you can see in the hand masher, they're already there. They are mashed, they are in paste form now. Okay, and I took some onions, 4 medium sized onions you can take and dice them. As I have diced them, you can see, in big chunks, just like capsicum, dice them in big chunks. Onions also. And besides that, we have garlic paste here, as you can see in the white bowl. It's garlic paste that I have put in here. And then I have potatoes, diced potatoes with me. You can take as many potatoes as you like according to your taste, but this is the quantity that I have shown you. And of course potatoes, a little more of potatoes go into the capsicum, because if we make it alone and don't use these things, capsicum to many people doesn't taste that well. So that's why all these things are added. Then I have the spices dish with me, and in the spices dish I have red chili and salt. Both these things will go in according to your taste. Salt and red chilies according to your taste. Then half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I have dried coriander powder, 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of dried coriander powder. Besides that, I have half a teaspoon of carom seeds, half a teaspoon of black cumin, and almost 3/4 of a teaspoon of black seeds. Okay, these are all the spices that we will be using, simple spices. And besides that, we will be needing some oil to start with. So you can see in my clay pot, in the corner here, you can see is my clay pot. In that clay pot, I have added 1 to 1.5 cup of oil. Okay, so these are all the ingredients we will be using to make this capsicum with potatoes. Now into that oil, you put your cooking pot on low heat, and into the oil then add your garlic paste. Okay, add the garlic paste to the oil like this, as I am adding. put the lid on, because when you put the lid on, the garlic will be done quickly. As you see now, I've put the lid on and it will be done quickly. I've taken it off the lid and you see the garlic is almost done now. Semi browned. This is what we need. And into that will go our potatoes, dear potatoes. They will go into the oil and garlic now. That's semi browned. So I have added them to my cooking pot. After adding the potatoes to the cooking pot, you add your tomato paste that you made, the ground tomatoes that are with you. Add those to the potatoes and see such nice beautiful colors. Red and yellow, a deep contrast but looking so nice. Well, you see so many contrasts in nature when you are cooking, and they look so amazing and beautiful. Besides, of course, we have flowers as well, and we have in our gardens we see a lot of contrasting colors in flowers, in plants. So they all look beautiful. Nature is beautiful. But well, coming back to this cooking capsicum with potatoes, I have added to the garlic and oil the potatoes and the tomatoes. And to those beautiful colors, we are going to add in another color, white, indigo, something like that, of onions. Onion chunks that we had cut, we are going to add them also into our cooking pot. And you see, they have also gone in and they are looking even more beautiful now. See the beauty. I don't miss the beauty while I'm cooking of different ingredients. May they be pulses or veggies. They look so beautiful. And to all these things, we are now going to add our capsicum. Capsicum has also gone in, and with it, I'm going to put in all the spices as well. See? Everything goes into the cooking pot and is ready to be cooked. And here you see the ingredients in the cooking pot are looking so beautiful. So many colors, yellow, green, red, white, and the spices of different colors also. They've also gone in. So all these things are there in the cooking pot, and already you see it's becoming hot. The temperature of all these things is rising. And with the help of my spatula, now I'm mixing them up, all these ingredients, and making them into a potpourri of even beautiful colors, nice contrasts, beautiful colors. And then you can see I have put on the lid onto my cooking pot, and I will leave it for a few minutes before I take the lid off again, and I see what the condition of the veggies is now. Are they cooked? Are they not? Are the potatoes cooked? Are the capsicum pieces cooked? Is the onion done? I'm going to check it out. I'm also going to check the spices. Do I need to add more salt or spice or anything? So you are also going to do that, and at this stage you are going to adjust things according to your taste. And these will take almost half an hour or maybe a bit more before they are done. It also depends upon your cooking pot. In a clay cooking pot, they take longer. In a non-stick or a silver cooking pot, they take a lesser time to cook. So keep checking, keep rotating your spoon in them so that they don't burn on the underside. And when they are done, then you can of course take them off your stove. So keep checking, and of course some people like them a bit more raw, so it depends upon your taste, however you like them. Till you think they are done, they are not done, leave them on the stove, and when you think they are done, take them off the stove. And you see my capsicum with potatoes is ready, and I have taken it off the stove, and it's now on my shelf, and it's emitting steam. It's steaming hot, and it's looking so nice. It's looking so inviting. Doesn't it look inviting to you people? It looks very inviting to me at least. And you can serve it with roti, with naan, with pita bread, with simple bread, however you want to serve it. Okay, and it is really very tasty, and it's a complete meal, and it's very healthy as well. The capsicum, is full of iron, and it's a natural source to increase your HP levels, and it's very healthy, it's very nice. It should be, well, anything that's even if it's a vegetable or it's a pulse gram that you're cooking or your meat that you're cooking, it should be cooked well, it should be tasty enough, otherwise you don't feel like eating it. So try out this recipe and tell me in the comment section how you liked it. Like and share it, and all those who are still not our family members, do subscribe to the channel and become our family members, and then enjoy these lovely recipes with us. And of course, also for your professional growth are the training workshops, HR training workshops, and we are going to keep uploading those training workshops as well for you people, free of cost, for all of you, for those who are fresh, for those who cannot afford to pay for trainings. I have specifically, started off this channel and started off this mission of training people, because if you get a degree doesn't mean you are an educated person. If you get a degree plus training, you become an educated person. So that is very important, and we must all go for it. This is something that gives you knowledge and power, and because when you grow, when your personality becomes better, you start becoming more successful. So that's why. So enjoy your capsicum with potatoes, and of course remember me in your prayers. Cheers.